So we're operating in very shallow waters, like anywhere from 2 meters to 5 meters. Actually, the flag makes the nice cherry on top. We actually put the flag there on purpose. So this is our setup on the marine. We have an underwater camera, which is installed in one of these arms. So this is one of the underwater camera, and we also have 2 other specialized camera for the mapping. And on the same trip, we did something else. In fact, we did a scaled-down version of our platform as request from the San Carlos University. This is also based in Cebu. So what we did here is we take everything that we did on the large boat and scale it down. So as request, we also do workshops for schools. So